Welcome back to another episode. In the last episode, we told you the car was going to R44 for all its cosmetic enhancements. It's back now. Today we're going to be fitting our decat downpipes. Before we do that, I'll run you through on what we have actually had fitted to the car, from carbon kits, lowering springs, wheels, etc. The wheels we've had fitted to the car are from none other than Z Performance. They're a two-piece polished lip wheel, paired with Michelin PS4s. On the car, you can see a full carbon fitted kit, from a CSL style grille to a front lip, side skirts and rear cane yards, all from R44 Performance, a full MHC kit. So in today's video, we're going to be fitting the decat downpipes. That's predominantly what we're going to be doing in this video. However, we have got something special for you coming later on, so stay tuned to find out what it is. So before we fit the decats, I'll talk to you a little bit more about the product. It's a full CNC TIG welded billet, accompanied with flange the other end to go back to our single mid pipe. It's a heat foiled product as well, so it'll really keep that heat under control. In regards to the performance and what it'll actually do for the car, we're not 100% sure. If it's anything like the M2 in a previous video that was shown, it's around about 50 brake. However, we will know for sure because the next video, it'll be at Performance M, getting some mapping done to the car. So behind me, the techs are fitting the downpipes now. We've just weighed the product, and as you've seen in the video, it's just over a 3 kilogram saving. So the car's down now, the downpipes have been fitted. We're just putting the final bits back together in the engine bay. As I said earlier in the video, we had one final finishing touch to add to our M3, and that is a roof box, colour matched Sao Paulo yellow. So that's the roof box fitted. You might be wondering why we fitted a roof box through it. Well, also, why did we buy a Touring? For space. So you can get lots of product in it, in the boot and the roof box. So shortly we'll back the car outside, show you what it sounds like with the decats on, and then we'll take it for a quick drive.